Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss about independent event concept. So independent events are those events whose occurrence is not depend on any other event. That is the independent. For example, if we flip a coin, tossing a coin in the air and get the outcome as a head, then again if we flip the coin, but this time we get the occurrence as tail. In both the cases, in these two cases, the occurrence of both the events is independent of each other. It is one one of the types of the events in probability. Let us consider any two events, capital A and capital B are the two events. So two events A and B are said to be statistically independent event or mutually independent event if the probability of occurrence of one event is not affected by the occurrence of other event. So that is probability of A by B is equal to probability of A and probability of B by A is equal to probability of B. So therefore, using multiplication rule of probability or conditional probability, so probability of A by B is equal, what is the conditional probability? Probability of A by B is equal probability of A intersection B by probability of B. So using that expression, probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of B into probability of A by B. So now here events A and B are statistically independent. Probability of A by B is equal to probability of A and probability of B by A is equal to probability of B. Applying this condition into here, probability of A by B is equal to probability of A. Therefore, probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of B into probability of A. Therefore, so from this equation, we can conclude that probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of A into probability of B. If the events A and B are said to be statistically independent events or mutually independent event. So this is a necessary condition and sufficient condition for the two events to be statistically independent. This means that when outcomes are depend, the probability of a joint occurrence of a particular outcome is the product of the probabilities of the individual independent outcomes. So that is probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of A into probability of B. Mutually exclusive events. So two events, capital A and capital B, are said to be mutually exclusive events. If they can't occur at the same time, mutually exclusive events never have an outcome. Mutual exclusive events never have an outcome in common. So we know that using joint probability concept, two mutually exclusive events is equal to 0. That is probability of A intersection B or probability of AB is equal to 0. So therefore, we can conclude that two events A and B cannot be both mutually exclusive and statistically independent. It is possible only when probability of A is equal to 0 or probability of B is equal to 0. If the two events A and B are independent, then A bar and B bar, A bar and B, and A and B bar are also independent events. So this is the concept of mutually exclusive. This is the concept of independent events.